Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. I'm going to be reviewing the Beautiful Skin Island Glow Easy Tanning Drops by Charlotte Tilbury. I've had this product for about 6 days now, and yes, I am sick, but I have to get this video up because right now it is the bane of my existence. So if I look and don't sound that great, I tried to cover the bags up under my eyes. It's just not happening, so we're gonna roll with it. Here's a quick before and after. The video of me talking is my skin tone before application, and then today's application is the picture that we're zooming in on, and I forgot to take a before and after, so I just wanted to show you the difference and why I won't be using this product on its own. Okay, let's talk about the star of the show, the Beautiful Skin Island Glow Easy Tanning Drops. Now this is a self-tanner for your face. It does take anywhere between 6 to 8 hours to develop, and it comes in 2 different shades. Fair to medium is what I have, and it's formulated for someone with cool undertones, and then tan to deep, which is formulated for somebody with warm undertones. Now it comes in 30 milliliters or 1 fluid ounce, and it contains hyaluronic acid. So it's skincare meets a self-tanner. It's not going to be like the Drunk Elephant drops where you put it on your face immediately and you're going to get a bronzy glow. This takes time to develop. Now what I like about this is there wasn't any transfer. It's not sticky. Depending on how you apply it, definitely depends on the look that you're going for, and we're going to get into that in a minute. What I do like about this is you can use this with actives. A lot of self-tanners say avoid using actives. So actives are BHA, AHA, retinol, retinoid. Because this one contains skincare in it, it's super hydrating on the face. It doesn't peel off. You can use it before or after your skincare routine, and it doesn't transfer. But don't take my word for it, I wouldn't be sleeping on white pillowcases with this. And if you want to glow, it's best applied probably at night, or again, it takes anywhere between 6 to 8 hours to develop. Now with that being said, I've had this product for about 4 or 5 days now. So it claims that it is streak-free, easy to apply, it lasts for 4 days. And depending how you apply this and how much you use, it's going to give you your desired outcome. Okay, so application. So I did a little experiment. The first day I actually mixed this in with my moisturizer, and I applied 2 drops to my face, mixed it in, and then 2 drops to my neck and mixed it in, and I did that separately. The next day I noticed I did have a very nice glow to my skin. It was very, very subtle though, but just enough of a tint to make me look a little bit more alive, which is not the case right now because I'm sick. It doesn't matter how much self-tanner and makeup I have on, it's just gonna show. And then the second day I applied 3 drops again with moisturizer to the face and to the neck. Now I did notice the second time with this product, I have a lot of veining on my face. I have a lot of red capillaries, which is why I would never wear this product on its own. But again, it's personal preference for me. Now last night I applied 6 drops straight to my face. I didn't mix it in with my moisturizer, and 6 drops to my neck. Woke up, was a lot more tan, but you could see in this picture I'm about to show you, I missed because I applied this with a towel on my head. Don't do that. And I didn't really wash anything that dripped, so I do have a spot right here on my wrist where you can kind of see I didn't wash it off right away. So an important thing is after you apply this to your face, go and wash your hands immediately after. That way you can avoid staining. But I missed a spot, so I do have a little bit of staining there. You can see how ghostly I am. Let's go over some of the claims. The tan lasts for 4 days. Yes, it does. The tan is very natural looking in regards to the fair to medium shade. Yes, it does. It goes on streak-free. That depends on the application. Again, I recommend mixing 4 to 6 drops in with your moisturizer and then doing it again if you're going to apply it to like your neck, and your ears. I messed up as you saw before, and I ended up with like a really funny rim. I gotta fix that later. Now with regards to it being hydrating, absolutely. It's not sticky. You don't have to wash it off after you've waited 8 hours for it to develop. There was no transfer on my pillow, but just in case, if you're going to apply this at nighttime, which is another thing I recommend you do if you want to wake up with the glow, put a towel over your pillowcase, just in case. And you can apply this product with your current skincare routine that contains actives. But I might want to test that theory a little bit more before I say that's a full yes, because I'm kind of in the middle of that. Now overall, the tan itself was very natural looking. It wasn't too orange, but again, I can only speak to the fair to medium shades. If you want to know what I am in Charlotte Tilbury, I'm a 5 medium. No, 5 neutral. And then in a MAC, I am an NW25 when I have a tan, or an NW20 when I look like Casper. I didn't, again, apply it to my chest so you can kind of see the difference. If you have any hyperpigmentation, acne scarring, veins on your face, this will enhance it like any self-tanner, so just keep that in mind. Overall, I would use this product on myself, but I would put something like the Hollywood tint with it, so just keep that in mind. But it's a really beautiful product and I'm quite impressed with it. Will I be reaching for it all the time? No, but other than that, I highly do recommend this product. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments if this is something that you're going to be buying for yourself, if this is something that you're going to be skipping, and if you have any requests for future videos, because now I'm going to be back on YouTube. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.